Now that we understand what value is, let's consider what product value is, which is a type of value. In this lecture, product value literally means value of a product. To repeat, the world does not understand the essence of value. Then, automatically, it's true that the world does not understand what value is. So, what the world considers to be value is just pseudo-value. Further, automatically, it's true that the world does not understand what product value is. So, what the world considers to be product value is just pseudo-product value. But the world is not aware of this. Every business person provides product value every day to their customers. However, most of them do not understand what product value is, despite earning money with the product value that they are providing and making a daily living. In such a world, if you understand what product value is, you will be able to do your business that is overwhelmingly stronger than that of others. So, let's think what product value is.